it's Scott coming to you live here from my home in Sugarloaf with another Affiliate Marketing 2024. You don't need a website with this or anything. All you got to do is follow these simple instructions. As you can see, it works. It's been around now for over 3 years, and I've personally been with it for 3 years. And I have some value stacks to give you where I'm giving away leads and I'm starting your business. And we're going to go into this in a minute, but if you're not getting multiple income streams in 2024, folks, you're going to want to start today, okay? As you can see, this has paid me residually $24,444. I got $450 ready to pay, and I scroll down here. This has been paying me every single week, and it can you too if you're consistent with it. And I'm going to show you how I'm going to jumpstart your business right away here, okay? As you can see, $27,000. So, okay, Scott, let's cut to what do I have to do to get started with this business that's 100% hands-off and I don't need a website? So here we go. So I'm going to show you, there's going to be a link which looks like this in the description below. Okay, let's go to it right here. And yes, you get all this. This is plug and play, ready to go. There's no creating websites. There's no creating autoresponders because we have this all done for you already. So what you're going to do here is I'm going to click on this, and when you go into my description below, you're going to see this here, and you're also going to see my list of bonuses that I'm going to go over here right now. But before I do that, make sure you smash the subscribe and you hit that bell so you never, ever, ever miss a video from me again on making money from anywhere. Yes, I fired my boss in 2016, and as you can see, I just showed you this pays and this works. So what do you have to do here? All right, folks, so when you go down to the link below in the description, you put your name and email here. It's going to take you to a video. Watch that whole entire video. I'm fast tracking this, but I want you to watch the video so you know what your team's going to be watching, all right? And when you come over here, you're going to do step 1, watch this first. Step 2 is when you come here, you're going to do step 1, you're going to watch this first. You're going to activate your multiple income funnel. You can activate it at annual or monthly. What happens if you activate income stream number 1 at annual? Let's go over to my bonus documentation right here. I'm going to give you this, and I'm going to show you right here. You're going to be able to earn 100 over and over again in income stream number 3. Yes, I'm going to get to that, but you're also going to get 200 leads, okay? And you're going to have live training the first Monday of the month with me. That's if you go annual. If you can't go annual, no problem. You're still going to be able to make money here. So when we come back into your multiple income funnel right over here, you're going to come right here, and what we're going to do is you're going to go to income stream number 2. This is after you set up income stream number 1. So income stream number 2, what is income stream number 2? Income stream number 2 is online consistent money. This allows you to tap into 800, if you look to the right of my screen, $2,400 and $4,000 commissions. You're going to want to watch this video and take action on that. So if you take action in any of these 3 income streams, you're going to get bonuses, and here's how the bonuses work. So if you start at the first one, which gives you $800 commissions, yes, that's 800, okay, commissions, just with number 2, okay, just with IS number 2, okay, you're going to get an L250 of my Powerline Hub right here. Let's go here. You're going to go here, L250. What are you going to get? You're going to get 500 leads. You're going to be able to make $250 and $100 payments over and over again. And you're going to get the second Monday of the month training as well. All right. Also, what I'm going to do is I'm going to give you 100 premium clicks to your multiple income funnel links, okay? You're just the one like the one I just showed you right here. I'm going to send traffic, eyeballs. If you don't understand what that means, don't worry, you don't need to, okay? Now, if you start at the second tier, not only are you going to be able to make $2,400 commissions, yes, you heard me correct, $2,400 commissions directly to that we make for you. Yes, as a call team. So this is completely hands-free. Income stream number 1 automates and shows your team all of this while you're sleeping, okay? And then all they do is they watch the video and they call the team and they answer the questions. And if they decide to join, like you're going to decide to join today, Platinum, you're going to get 3 more commissionable spots in my Powerline Hub. So you're going to be able to generate $100, $250, and $500 commissions, okay? And you're going to be able to get 3 trainings a month here by going Platinum in income stream number 2, which is my online consistent money system. On top of that, I'm going to send 200 premium clicks to your what? To your capture page that looks like this, just like the one you're going to go to below after you hit subscribe and hit the bell. All right, so let's go back over to the bonus income stream. And you're going to get put into a live drawing. I do these every month. I just started this in 2024. And all the above comes with my Powerline Hub CRM. So you don't just get, folks, you just don't get this. You're going to get all this over here. Even with the first level, you're going to have this whole CRM free funnel working for you, even if you start at OCM on the second level, okay? And remember, if you go annual, you are going to still get 200 leads here, all right? So now let's go back over to where we were with this here. And now what happens if you start OCM at where you want $4,000 commissions? All right, folks, this is what's going to happen with that. So if you start at Diamond, all right, you're going to get all in my Powerline Hub, meaning you're going to have, this is all going to be activated, right? And you're going to get everything that comes with all the levels. You're going to get trainings every single Monday of the month, and you're going to be able to make additional 100, 250, 500, and 1,000. And it gets better than this, folks. It gets better than this because if you look here, that income stream is right here, the third income stream. So all you're going to do is plug your username into here, and I'm going to set that up for you, all right? So you have 1, 2, you're going to have 3 income streams working for you, all with one link that looks like this, all right? And let's finalize the diamond, what you get. You're going to get the 1,000 like I just showed you in Powerline Hub. You're going to get an additional leads. You're going to get additional 2,000 leads. You're going to have live YouTube training every month. My live email training at 500 plus. You're going to get 400 premium clicks of traffic that I'm going to send from my premium traffic source that's right here. That's why it's still there. That's built my list since 2018, okay? You're going to get a done-for-you Funnel Builders custom branding package. Yes, I'm going to specifically brand you for big, heavy action takers. And another chance to win in the drawing of what I do every single month and complete Powerline Hub. That's over $4,000 in bonuses, and you're going to get instant $4,000 commissions eligible from income stream number 2. And what are you going to do? It's as simple as that. All you're going to do after you're done with this, once you're done activating multiple income funnel, and let's go back here again. Once you're done activating income stream number 1, multiple income funnel, and you're done activating income stream number 2, that's when you're going to email Scott's, right here, scottsbonuses@gmail.com, all right, with the subject line, send my multiple income funnel bonuses, and that is it. It's as easy as that, folks. So after you do that, let's get back into the start here. After you set all your income streams up, you're simply going to want to go to set up your e-wallet. You will click here to watch this video, set up your e-wallet, because as you've seen at the beginning, this pays every single week. And then most importantly, take the back office tour right here. And that's it. It's as simple as that. Now you have complete 3 income streams. You're going to get the income stream number 3 on me as a bonus by taking action in income stream number 2 right here. So you're going to have multiple income funnel, which pays residual monthly, residual yearly. You're going to have income stream number 2, online consistent money, that pays you instant, done for you, call team, sells, makes the sales for you, $800, $2,400, and $4,000 sales. And you're going to have income stream number 3 that's going to give you $100, $250, $500, and $1,000 instant sales. And again, you're going to go in the description below. You're going to see a website that looks just like this. Click on that, put your name and information in there, and I'll see you on the inside. Bye for now.